Hi, my name is Dwayne McCallion. I'm a lifestyle counselor trainee here at Uchee Pines. My background is actually not in medicine or herbal remedies. My background is in construction. Been in construction industry for over 20 years. And before coming to Uchee Pines, I was a superintendent at a large construction company in South Florida. And I had planned to continue my career and advance and start my own business, and everything was to go into that plan. But God had other plans for me, and He put it dearly in my heart that construction is not where He wants me. There's something else more important and more near and dear to His heart that He wants me to do. So He took me from the construction industry, from a rough and tumble life, to Uchee Pines, and it's taught me a different way and a better way. He's taught me what a Christian is supposed to look like, how a Christian is supposed to act, and what type of things a Christian does to his brother. If you love me, keep my commandments. The programs here at Uchee Pines help me tremendously. It's taken the gospel message that we find in the Bible, and it's taken it from just a storybook in a book wrote a long time ago, and it's brought it into a real life, tangible aspect, something I can grasp hold of, and with my fingers, I can be the hands and feet of Christ. It's taken spiritual aspects and put them into literal. Now I can take this education that I've learned here at Uchee Pines and apply it to people that are suffering throughout the world, something I couldn't do before, but I had a desire to. I'm coming to the end of my training here at Uchee Pines, and the question is, what will I do with this education in the future? This is something that I will leave in God's timing and God's way. I'm right where I need to be. God was instrumental in bringing me here to Uchee Pines, so I know He'll be faithful and show me where I need to go from this point forward, and I'm looking forward to seeing what that is. But today, I'm right where I need to be. I believe the gospel message is the restoration of mind, body, and spirit. And Jesus is calling every single Christian to be a medical missionary trainee or a medical missionary practitioner, to bring this gospel message to the suffering ones. It's the entering wage of the gospel. Every Christian should contemplate and having this education so they can reach humanity and we can go home to heaven. There are quite a few programs here at Uchee Pines, and I've enjoyed all of them, but there's been a few that has really touched my heart, and I've enjoyed learning and practicing. For example, massage. I enjoy massage. I've learned Swedish massage, raindrop massage, and even deep tissue massage. I've learned things like hydrotherapy, how to make poultices, natural remedies like tinctures and salves. These things I've learned and apply on a daily basis here at Uchee Pines. I've realized that to be a Christian, if I want to follow the Lamb whithersoever He goes and do the things that Christ did while He was on earth, then I need to make a decision that I can accomplish what He wants for me so I can reach His children that are sick and suffering throughout the world.